Hey everyone, if you've been watching my YouTube channel for a while, you know I've done a lot of corn silage videos, and I show them chopping the corn. I also show them pushing and packing on the silage pile with all the tractors going back and forth. And if you ever wondered just how tight they pack these silage piles, let's have a look and what the farmer does with it while he's feeding it and how he gets it unpacked. As you can see, this stuff is packed. Now, it used to be they'd come in here with a loader bucket and run into it and knock down more than they needed. So in order to keep the feed good and everything, they don't really want to do that. So they use what they call a silage defacer, and we're going to see it in action here on this farm. Okay, this model here is called a bunker shaver. So you can see it has these teeth here, hydraulic motor at the end. So they're going to put this on their telescopic forklift and go into the silage pile and work the face of that silage pile down each day as they feed. Once corn or the corn silage is chopped out in the field, it is hauled into the farm, and here they are dumping it on a concrete pad. And you see several tractors here pushing that silage back and forth. You see a tractor in the background that does not have a blade on it. That tractor is just going back and forth packing that pile. They want to get all the air out of this silage that they can, so that's why they just make multiple trips as they push and pack this, just compressing that silage. And then you can see in the background there, once a silage pile is complete, they cover it, then the silage goes through a fermentation process, and normally they will not feed corn silage for a minimum of 30 to 45 days after chopping it. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you've seen the beginning of this video and what they're doing here, you know exactly how tight they actually pack these silage piles. Now, let's watch that silage defacer in action. I've seen these silage defacers used on the front of a skid loader, a telescopic forklift like you just seen earlier in this video, and even a wheel loader. Now, after the silage is knocked down, like you see here, they just knock down enough that they're going to feed for that day. So here this farm is coming in with their wheel loader, scooping up the corn silage they need, dumping it in their mixer feeder with some other ingredients to make a total mixed ration to feed their cows. I've never done a YouTube video of a silage defacer showing you how they do this process, but the footage that I'm using in this video is not all from the same farm. Of course, the silage defacer part is from one farm. I'm showing you the silage pile from one, and then this is another farm. So I just want to show you the whole process from start to finish, what all goes on these corn silage piles from beginning to end. In a lot of areas, especially around me in the Midwest, corn silage is the main ingredient in a dairy cow's ration. Again, there's several ingredients that go into a dairy cow ration. Those ingredients were already loaded into the mixer feeder prior to the corn silage. Depending on the farm, most of them, like I said, are feeding a majority corn silage, so they'll put those other ingredients in first and then finish it off with the corn silage. It all mixes up here, total mixed ration, and then they will take it to the barn and feed it to the dairy cows, like you're going to see here. I hope everyone found this video interesting. I've done a lot of corn silage videos over the years on YouTube here, but I've never done one where you see the whole process. And speaking of chopping corn silage, it is mid-August here in Ohio, and it's getting that time of year where these farms are going to start chopping corn silage again. So I do have several corn silage videos lined up for this season, so stay tuned. I'll have a bunch of new corn silage videos coming to my YouTube channel in the future. Get your Farmhand mic merchandise today at kaz-gear.com or farmhandmic.com. Hats, shirts, hoodies, and stickers are available in all different sizes and colors. That's going to do it for this video. If you did like this video, please go down there and hit that like button. Feel free to comment below. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you would go down there and hit that subscribe button. Check back often. Always lots of new and exciting farming content coming to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.